front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 2, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture, which as an example I'm going to use settings, and from here a couple ways you can do it. The first way is by holding the power key and volume down, and you can see it gives you a message screenshot saved, and there's the image. You can also take a long screenshot, as you can see from here, by tapping over here. Oops, and I extended it. So let's try that again. You can see you just have to keep pressing and it just scrolls down. Now unfortunately it's a little bit wonky here. Normally you would be able to scroll yourself to the point that you want to, and here you have to scroll past it probably and then shrink it if you want to edit it to be shorter. So that is the two ways you can do that, and there is also sometimes a screenshot button right over here. So you can simply tap on it and it does the same thing, and then let's see, and that's about it on this device. Now both of those screenshots, or well, three of them I believe, can be all found in the photo app right over here. Let me just leave this, and you can see I created a screenshot section, and if you tap on it, we have all the screenshots in here that I have captured. So that is how you capture screenshots, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.